Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to order on Shein. So in order to do that, first of all launch Shein application. Now once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your Shein account. Now let's tap on the option of shop at the bottom left corner. Now from here you can select various categories according to your preferences. So in my case, I'm just going to simply tap on this option of home and living. Now over here you'll see various products you can choose from. So I'm going to simply select this option. Now you can see various categories of these options available here. You can choose the color according to your choice. You can also choose the quantity according to your choice as well. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see various descriptions and reviews about the particular product you are about to purchase. Now, let's simply tap on the option of Add to Cart. Now, simply tap on the cart option at the top of your screen. Now, tap on Got It. Now, you'll see your total amount over here. Now, simply select the option of Checkout at the bottom right corner. Now over here, make sure that you enter in all your details in order to proceed further. So let me start by entering my first name, and let's enter my last name as well. Now, after you have entered in your details and your address, simply tap on the option of Save. And now you simply have to select a payment method for your order. For now, I'm just going to select this option of credit/debit card. Now you have to enter in your card details and then simply tap on the option of Place Order. Also, you can select the shipping method according to your preferences. So that's how simply you can place an order on Shein. And this is it for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.